Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato salsa like Chipotle. To begin, you'll need a few fresh ingredients. Start with about 1.5 pounds of ripe Roma or plum tomatoes, 1/2 cup of finely diced red onion, 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, and 1 jalapeno pepper. You will also need 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Using fresh, high-quality produce is key for authentic flavor. The next crucial step is preparing your vegetables with precision. Dice your ripe tomatoes into small, consistent pieces, aiming for about 1/4 inch cubes. This ensures a pleasant, chunky texture. Next, finely chop your red onion and fresh cilantro. For the jalapeno, remember to remove the seeds and white membranes if you prefer a milder salsa. If you enjoy more heat, you can leave some of those in. Uniform dicing helps all the flavors blend beautifully. Once all your fresh ingredients are finely prepped, it's time to bring them together. Place your diced tomatoes, red onion, chopped cilantro, and jalapeno into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Now, add 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Gently stir all the ingredients until they are thoroughly combined, ensuring every piece is coated with the vibrant citrus and seasoning. After mixing, the final step is to let the flavors develop. Cover your salsa and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows all the fresh ingredients to meld, creating a more harmonious and delicious taste. Before serving, give it a quick taste test. You can always add a little more salt or a squeeze of extra lime juice to suit your preference. This fresh, vibrant salsa is perfect with tortilla chips or as a topping for your favorite Mexican-inspired dishes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.